Daddy, I'm done.
So what's the next thing you have to do?
I see how I get a wooden leg.
You are done? So the next thing is, look at what, so you try to do this. So you go to the
You see, be the
I'm done. Dad, I'm done.
You try, you just go down, finish. Let me finish.
Okay, it's all done. Is this what dress color?
So place this. Place this. Look at this. Look at this. You place this on this flat too. So, and get your nail and nail it.
So, after I'm done number 6.
So, that's one number 7. That's number 7.
Screw this. Use your long screw.
So, can we just work together, right? Can we just work together?
You have put the flat. Where's your flat bottom?
Bottom?
Jackie.
You have a keyboard. Like this.
I had that.
So if you don't sit down, you look around. I did so say let me see. You have to put this. You can see if you pull it. Put your tire in it. Put your tire. I did put your tire on this. There, bless you. Say move material okay. I did the banana see. Look on your kidney now. Take the one this. I need to do what I have to do. You have your own job to do. You can fix the tires.
What's that?
There's something like that in this room that has to check. Kidney top tires. Yeah, I thought they would.
So, I'm calling you.
Daddy, see.
I need a small screw.
On this. And then let's go further.
It's not something that you need to use 2 hands to go. And make sure that it's well positioned. They have finish your time.
Ẹjẹ́ ká dìde sókè.
Why did you place this on this? Can you start this idea? Take a long school. Take a long school. A long school, not a late school.
Rí náà. Ayọ̀ mi kú.
Why did you use a long school? Do you have any long school? That leave it. Is there entry? Leave it. So put it down so we can push your tire. This is nail. Yeah, this is screw. These are nails. Screw. No, this is screwdriver.
I like how they build this. So,
Oh yeah, be fast, do the tire. You have to put tire. This is the last one. Do you have any extra screw? This screw will come. Check your the logo screw is not. Let me see the other one. Stand up. You can one do. Okay. So use screw this. I did it. Put this here.
Nail kan náà ni.
Screw. Don't worry, you just screw. I will bang the same. Just screw. Screw this. Let's be fast now. Use one hand.
Ayọ̀ mi kú. Àwa ṣe. Ó ní. You can play with yours. Ó ní. See. Let's go. Then carry.
I'm just going to use my hand for the last of God. It's easy to use your hand.
Yeah. So put it on that Daddy. Turn it.
And why are you using it?
I use this long screw.
Bó lè ń ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀ ṣé normal way tó ṣe.
Ìgbà tó wọ́n follow instruction so I see.
Are you excited?
I'm in the face is sharing.
Why should I do that? Why should I do that?
Mi ò mọ bí tẹ́ ẹ wà gan torí eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ ń ṣe yìí àdánù ṣé kí n pa.